Hello, Professor. My name is Kumala Pratyusha. I am here to give my presentation on how big data analytics used in the banking industry. This is the overview of my presentation, which includes introduction, big data analytics in banking industry architecture, and how big data analytics used in banking sector, advantages, disadvantages, and finally the conclusion. So nowadays, there are a lot of fraud detections happening in the banking sectors. So in order to avoid those, banking industry uses big data analytics to identify and rate individual customers who are at risk of fraud, and then apply different levels of monitoring and verification to those accounts. And analyzing the risk of accounts allows banks and financial institutions to know what to prioritize in the fraud detection efforts. And also, big data allows the banking industry to create individualized customer profiles that help decrease the gaps between the bankers and their customers. So this is the architecture of big data analytics in banking industry, where we contain like a lot of data, for example, external data, operational data, historical data, and live market data. Here, all these data will be transferred to the data acquisition, which are in the form of unstructured data. And whatever data comes from this external operational, historical, and live market will be collected and stored in the database. The market data is stored in the Cassandra database, and it is gridded into the InfiniSpan, and from there it will go to the expert system where data is simulated and optimized, and whatever data collected from the data acquisition will go to the restitution where data is visualized, querying is done, and then it's sent back to the end user, where we can see real-time and batch metrics portfolios. This is how we use big data analytics in banking industry. Artificial intelligence play a major role in banking. For example, whenever a customer care didn't respond to the consumer inquiries, at the time this artificial intelligence will be more helpful, and through via chatbots, customers can get quick replies to their questions. And also, these artificial intelligence can even sense emotions and respond quickly based on based on the needs of the customers. And also, banking is not only known for being customer service, but also it fulfill the needs of the individuals. These are the advantages of big data analytics in banking industry, where the main advantages is to reduce the fraudulent behavior, and also it enables to streamline and optimize internal procedures, and it improves the security and risk. And with this profile, we can get a complete picture of the customers. Whereas the disadvantages of these big data used in banking industry are like there is a chance of data privacy, like these data can be misused by unauthorized person, and data silos, nothing but like data silos is nothing but like two departments have same data, like customer name, address, so it causes confusion and accuracy and relevance. And also legacy systems struggle to keep up and meeting regularity compliances. Finally, the conclusion is nowadays, like all over the world, everyone are interested in using these big data analytics to reduce the risk of frauds. And also, this big data has evaluated key issues banks under the scope of big data, such as risk assessment, financial management, credit risk, anti-fraud system, with the help of the bibliographic review. And with the use of this big data in the banking industry, it also helps to improve and expand the firm. These are the references. Yeah, thank you. That's all, Professor. Thank you very much.